Click on the link below to get price. The Commercial Ceiling Dehumidifier is a robust solution designed to tackle humidity issues in spaces up to 1,830 square feet. Its sleek ceiling-mounted design not only saves floor space but also blends seamlessly into a variety of environments, making it ideal for basements, warehouses, and large residential areas. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its exceptional moisture removal capacity. With the ability to extract up to 90 pints of moisture per day, it effectively regulates humidity levels, preventing mold growth and protecting stored items. This is particularly beneficial in damp basements, where excess moisture can lead to severe structural and health issues over time. The performance of this unit is bolstered by its user-friendly digital controls, which allow for easy adjustments to humidity settings and fan speed. The built-in hygrometer provides real-time readings of current humidity levels, ensuring that you can maintain an optimal environment with minimal effort. Additionally, its auto-restart function is a lifesaver during power outages, as it resumes operation with the last settings used. Noise levels are another critical factor when evaluating dehumidifiers, and this unit impresses in that regard. Operating at a relatively low decibel level, it can run continuously without being a nuisance, making it suitable for places where silence is appreciated, such as libraries or meditation rooms. Installation is straightforward, although professional assistance may be required to mount it securely and connect it to the drainage system for continuous water removal. The unit's durable construction suggests longevity, a crucial attribute for any commercial-grade appliance. Overall, the Commercial Ceiling Dehumidifier stands out for its efficiency, ease of use, and quiet operation. It offers excellent value for those looking to maintain a dry and healthy indoor environment, especially in larger spaces. With its powerful performance and thoughtful design, it is a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about managing humidity effectively.